If you have a situation where one of these washers right here or right here has come loose, do the following. Come to the seat and remove the 4 screws, 1, 2, and then the 2 others on the other side. With the 4 bolts removed, just remove the seat from the frame. Next, come here and remove the 2 bolts on the support tube. With the bolt removed, pull these out and then lower the backrest. As you lower the backrest, you can push the backrest all the way forward, and once it's all the way forward, you can lift it up. When you lift it up, you'll see that there's a bolt, a bushing, and the washer. If your bolt is missing and the bushing is missing, it may have fallen into the tube, so you may have to remove one of these end caps here or on the other end to get the bolt and bushing to fall out so you could make use of them. When you're going to go reinstall the hardware, it's a bolt, the bushing, and the washer. There should be a gap between the washer and the ledge of the bushing. To prevent them from loosening again, just get some thread lock and put it on the threads of the bolt, and then install it onto the backrest. When reinstalling the backrest, the bushing should fit into the opening here. Make sure all 4 bushings, the 2 on the top and the 2 on the bottom, are in the slots. You can see I got them into the hole first and then into the slot, so I can't pull it out anymore. Now that the backrest is in the slots, you need to reinstall these 2 brackets. To get them to align, shift the backrest. So here I need to lower this bracket downward, and as I do that, this one will raise up. I do that by shifting the backrest. So I'll pull this back, and you'll see that their holes are starting to align better. I'm going to shift a little bit more. And there, I think I can get it in. I'll get the long bolt that was removed. Through, and there we go. I got it through. And then I just reinstall the 1 washer and 1 nut onto the other side. And then fully tighten that. Now that it's fully tightened, you can raise and lower the backrest, and it moves as it should. It doesn't pull away from the frame. Now we will install the seat. Now I'll get the seat and reinstall the 4 bolts. The bolts have 1 bolt, 1 spring washer, and then 1 flat washer. Right there, the flat washer goes nearest the end of the screw. Now that everything's installed, the backrest should function normally.